quarterfinals ng Rain or Shine at SMB. And like we said sa podcast, kailangan mas magamit si Rosales kasi siya yung pwedeng makapag-match up sa speed ng Ross. And ayun na nga, starter, and sa first possession, pumunta kay Junmar, may help then swing pass hanggang mapunta kay Rosales for the 3-point shot. But Ross will make it hard sa defense ng SMB kasi they will force Junmar to defend them outside. Chongson sa labas, 3-point shot. It's been a shootout to start this game. Perez from way downtown, then sumagot yung Rain or Shine, tapos sasagot din yung SMB. Kumbaga, kung sino yung unang manlamig, yun yung matatalo dito eh. Tas, ayun, lahat ng focus nasa outside na eh. And good decision ni Chongson na mag-dime naman sa ilalim. Karakot for the end one opportunity. They are evenly matched to start this one. Tabla lang pagkatapos ng first quarter. Sa second quarter, Ross will play their pace, especially with Nokum going all the way for the 2 points. Fearless din talaga eh, kahit si Boatwright pa yung nasa harap. Grabe yung face niya dito, he build the momentum para sa Rain or Shine. Pero nung lumolobo na yung lamang, SMB with their import showing the way sa scoring para makabalik sila sa laban, para magkaroon lang ng 1-point lead yung Rain or Shine at the half. Fast forward sa endgame, sa sobrang dikit ng laban, like we said, unang manlalamig, matatalo. And sino ba yung willing to take the big shots? And here, ito yung gusto mong makita kay Karakot kasi kung hindi niya mabigay yung ginagawa ni Lemeti ng mga downhill actions, kahit hindi mo siya makita mag-playmaking, is maging good off-ball player siya. From top of the key, going to the corner, hanggang sa malibre siya, 3-point shot with Bella Belen sa crowd. Ganyan pala pag may nanonood eh, no? And ito rin yung gusto mo kay Johnson. He is not bakaw. Pag may help, will kick the ball out. Tapos mapupunta ulit kay Karakot. Another 3-point shot para kay Mr. Not Alone Anymore. And feel ko ito yung possession na nag-dictate ng laro. Boatwright forces the switch. Si Karakot na yung bantay and we know, matik na yan eh. Pero CJ Perez with other things in mind. Hug the ball and heave a tough shot. Mintes. Tas ito, what a missed call from the referee. Sapal na sapal yung mukha ni Nokum and it is good ball para magkaroon ng fast break points yung SMB. Then Boatwright with his scoring ability, grabe lang yung tira na to. 2-point lead na lang para sa Ross. Pero nagkamali rin siya dito eh nung natulak niya si Clarito sa baseline. And kahit anong galing ni Boatwright, magmimintes din talaga. Lalo kung ganito yung bantay. What a defense from Chongson and all game long After nung mintes, tatlong SMB lang yung nasa transition hanggang sa makakuha ng multiple offensive rebounds yung Rain or Shine. Who wants it more, kumbaga eh. Then napunta sa inspired guy, pwesto pa lang eh. He is in rhythm, bumitaw sa 4-point area, bang! Tapos the next possession, tinapos na ni Kalen Chongson ang laban with another outside bomb from the corner. GG's, Rain or Shine sa semis. Grabe, sana ito na yung conference nila. Late lang din talaga dumating si Benny for SMB, pero okay lang yan. So para iba naman, SMB is still a great team. So mag-ingay PBA fans.